Hello everybody, it's Kayla. So, what I'm hoping to get into is obviously elementary education, but I'm hoping to teach the kindergarten and first graders. So they might not be doing PowerPoints, so I'm going to take it as if I am teaching fourth and fifth. Anyway, so for our assignment today, we are going to be doing a PowerPoint over an animal. And as you can see here, you will put your title here. In this instance, I'm going to be doing a bear. So I'm going to be writing just bears. And under here, you have your little subtitle, and you'll put by your name. I just put students for obviously, so you can write your own name. So next, what we'll want to do is you may want to insert more slides so you can talk about your actual topic itself. So what you'll do is between the home button right here and the draw button right here on your PowerPoint, you'll click the insert button. And if I move you to the side real quick, you will see right here it says new slide. So I'm going to click on that and the new slide pops up. Sometimes it will give you options on slides, but for this time, mine didn't. And so I'm going to just type in here bears again. And now what we're going to do when I move you again, we're going to come up here and you can see all of my tabs. And if you're on here and you don't have anything open, you would push the plus sign to open a new tab. But I already have one open, and I actually already searched up pictures of bears. So I'm going to just use this one for the first. So what you can do is you can either double click or you can click with two fingers once, depending on what computer you have. But I'm going to just click once with two fingers, and I'm going to click Save Image As. So then what you do is you'll come up with a name, and I'm just going to put bear and then click Save. So now I have that picture. And then what you can do is you can go back to your thing, and then over here where you see your insert again, if it's already open, you're good, but if not, you'll go to Pictures, and then you'll click From This Device. And then in your downloads, because you saved the picture, you will slide all the way down to when you see bear, or whatever other animal you decide to choose. And then you'll click Open, and there's your picture. So I'm going to go back here and show you another way. So I'm going to click on the tab, which you didn't see, but I'm going to just do the same picture. You click again, and instead of clicking Save Image, you'll click Copy Image. Go back to your presentation, and then you can either click the double click and push Paste, or if you're like my computer, you'll have to push Command V, because I have a MacBook. And then there you go. And if you want to get fancy, there's things to do on the side if you want to do anything fun with it. Like over here, there's different options you can choose to make your design look even better. And thank you for listening in, and I hope you have fun on your assignment.